Hello students, this is Hemlata Soni. During this lockdown period, we have started online teaching for you all and I hope you all would enjoy it. We are starting with the poem. With what we are starting? With the poem. Yes, this is pronounced as poem, not poem. So the name of the poem is The Squirrel and the poet is Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So look at the picture and answer the questions. What do you see in the picture? Yes, this is a squirrel. Have you ever seen the squirrel in the forest? Oh, many of you have not visited any forest yet, but I'm sure that you have seen the squirrels in gardens, on trees, or even on the terrace of your home. What do you know about the squirrel? A squirrel lives on trees. It likes to eat nuts and it looks so cute when it sits and eats something. So here is a introduction to the poem. The Squirrel is a short but interesting poem by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. It presents a verbal picture of a very small creature which is full of playful nature. So here is the poem. I'll recite it and you'll follow after me. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. He went the other way. So the poet says that the squirrel is having a question mark in the form of its tail. You can see the shape of its tail. It looks like a question mark. Then he says that it has an overcoat of grey color. So the poet is describing this part. He is describing the furry part that is on the back of this squirrel. Poet says that the squirrel sits straight and eats a nut and it looks very beautiful when it eats a nut. He likes to tease and play. The children are attracted to the squirrel and they want to come and play with the squirrel, but the squirrel runs from here to there whenever children come to play with her. So it seems as squirrel is teasing them and playing with them, and if children are running towards his tree, the squirrel goes to the other way. It doesn't come closer to the children. So here is the brief summary of the poem. Begins with a note that describes the physical features of a squirrel. The poet says that the tail of the squirrel always looks like a question mark, which is bushy. Bushy means it has parts like this. That's why it looks like a bush. That's why it is bushy. Its bushy tail resembles a question mark. So the poet describes it to be a creature wearing a question mark for its tail. It seems to be wearing a furry overcoat as its outer skin is densely furry. It eats and cracks nuts. Its action seems to be teasing and playing with whatever it takes. It runs around the tree and vanishes suddenly. It enjoys it. So here are some questions for you. Whom does he refer to in the poem The Squirrel? He wore a question mark for tail. Who wore a question mark? Yes, this is used for the squirrel. The squirrel is having a question mark on its tail. What is his tail like? Yes, it is like a question mark. And what does he eat? What does the squirrel eat? He eats nuts. Where does he play? He plays on the tree, in the garden, or even on the terraces. Pick out a word which is opposite in meaning to curved. Curved means having this shape. So what's the opposite of curved? This is straight. Now here are some questions for you to write in your own words. Give a gist of the poem in your own words. You'll write the summary. Question number 2. Write a paragraph about the squirrel. You'll write the characteristics of the squirrel. And question number 3. Find out naming, describing and rhyming words in the poem. Thank you.